Hello, everyone. I wanted to give you a quick rundown of what we will be doing for the first couple days of school. Just remember, we call this Wolverine Week, and it's going to be a week-long orientation for everyone. We've all been off of school, obviously, for the summer, but really real school for a year and a half. And so it's going to take us a while to get our feet wet. People are going to have to kind of figure out where everything is, used to getting up in the morning. And so this first week of school, the first 5 days, are really designed for all of us to get our feet wet, do a big, long orientation. About half our kids are going to be brand new to the school this year, and more of them, even more than that, have never even set foot on this campus. And so it's going to be really important for us to put our best foot forward here as we are starting out. But I wanted to give you a quick little rundown. Obviously, you can look at the link and go through all of the different activities on your own, but we're going to do this when we come back on next week, but I wanted to give you an opportunity to look through it yourself. So you're going to get a link. You've probably already seen it, the link for the Wolverine Week activities. Everything is going to be totally pre-planned for you. We're going to have all the copies ready. We'll have all of that stuff ready to go. Kind of how this is set up is kids are going to start in, they used to be called CNC groups, but now they're going to be called DEN groups. And kind of DEN being more of a home type of group. They're going to start there just for 24 minutes, and then they're going to go to all of their classes the first 2 days. So you'll see all 6 of your classes, and kids will go to all 8 of their periods on both on Thursday and on Friday. Don't forget Thursday is a minimum day, so get out at 1:15. Those classes are going to be really short. Mr. Barajas was just doing an announcement there. You'll go to all of the classes and so forth. So we're really just moving those kids through their classes as quickly as you possibly can. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I'm going to show you the dynamics of how this works. If you go along here on the left-hand side, you're going to start seeing all of the different lessons. So you'll notice the first one here says DEN, and then it has first impression. It gives you the directions. Anything that you see in blue is actually a slide that you are going to show the students. And these are all set up so that every time you click, the new direction comes up and it tells them what they're supposed to do. And then again, it's going to go to period 1. And it gives them a human bingo game, and then again, the blue class. So you can see all of these are the first periods. I'd encourage you to read through those. It really is going to be pretty easy. We figured that you're going to have about 10 minutes of activities after you introduce yourself, after you take roll, all of that kind of stuff. One really important thing is make sure that you do your launch every day or each period. Make sure you give them some sort of a greeting as they are heading out. So that's going to be really that first day of activities going through, and that's going to cover you on Thursday. There is, at the very end, there is a survey for the kids to take. And so they can either use their phone or their iPad to use the QR code, and then that'll let them take a survey. We want to find out how they're doing. Next day, you're going to have a little bit more time. And again, you're going to start off in your DEN groups. Same order. It'll give you all the blue ones, tell you are the slides for the kids. And then these are what we're going to be doing. They're going to be going through like Schoology login. Then they're going to do some games. Then they're going to go through PowerSchool login. Do some more games. There's different activities about how to figure out your GPA. These are things that we have done in the past and that we're just using for during that time. So that's going to be the Thursday and Friday activities. Now, we will have a survey at the end on Friday for them also to take. We want to get their feedback. When we get into the Monday and Tuesday of the following week, everybody's going to be following their regular schedule. It's going to be only 4 periods, and each department is assigned specific things. If you are an elective teacher, you are going to do more class-based, content-based type of activities. We want to make sure that it's just not all technical stuff, that the kids are doing some fun activities. Math is going to go through and pass out agendas, talk about organization, that type of thing. ELA is going to be doing a writing prompt and going over the rubric with kids, so that this is going to be the first writing prompt that they do, that we can view their writing and give them some feedback. Science is going to be handing out textbooks, collecting textbooks, and then going over rules. So we're going to create a video similar to this for all the kids to watch. That's how we're going to do grade level rules like we've done in the past, but we can't do them in the NPR. And then history, we're still working on this, but they are going to be most likely working on doing a social contract with all the kids so that they'll have an idea on that. Wednesday, you'll be meeting again. It's a regular Wednesday schedule, so we get out at 1:45, and you're going to be meeting with all 8 classes again. But this time, this is a great time for you just to hand out your syllabus, kind of get going on the day. And that was the second part of Mr. Barajas' announcement for orientation. So I would encourage you to look through the link that is on there. I'm hoping that you'll have a chance to do that before we get together on Thursday, just so that you have an idea of what's going on. All right, that's it, everybody. Have a great day.